But there's also been recent laws that have been changed in Florida that make it mandatory to do. I don't know if BA is still on here to do what you like the issue you're having in Florida. They passed legislation. I won't be funny, but I think I know why. Because what was once more prevalent in a certain community has now gotten out into everybody. So Florida even shut off alimony. That lifetime alimony, no more in
Yeah,
Florida.
I'm in here. I'm just listening.
Yeah, yeah. No more lifetime alimony in Florida.
I don't have that issue either.
Well, no, but my point is there's a lot of women that was heated when that rule came out. Cause you know what I mean?
I bet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So a lot of people had so that's the good thing about Florida. So did that make it clear to you, LK, that you can actually get rid of it through superseding? Or you can appeal it directly to the second district court of appeal. I mean, I keep saying to the district court of appeal if there's an something that's improper. Because even though it's a what's up, Jay? Even though it's a administrative action, they still have to be within conformity. So this notion that they don't have to, I don't know where it ever came from. So we're all good now. Any other questions before we get into the root of what this was? Ask it now. Only dumb question is when you don't ask. All right, so let's do this. Like I said before in the beginning, people were asking me about the how I knew that you can't just everybody's saying, well, you need to go file in federal court and do this, that, and the other. I'm like, dude, federal courts are courts of limited jurisdiction. State courts are courts of general jurisdiction. So in other words, you can actually go file a federal action in your state court, but you can't necessarily file a state action in the federal court. Your state court can hear anything, but in most instances, state courts are not really good with federal law. But say you sue a entity in state court under federal law, that defendant does have the right to remove the case. Are you all looking at my order?
Yes. Yep.
Where did I file this order, people?
It's like Florida.
No. Top line.
Oh, United States.
If you see United States, that's a federal court. All right, people. For anybody who questions it, you see United States District Court, that's a federal court, and it's in the Middle District of Florida. Okay. Now we all know who these people are, right? That's the Department of Revenue. They're the enforcement agency. And everybody who may have forgot, God dang, they spelled my name wrong here. I'm Chagret Doss. Chagret, people, is Greg. All right. So let's do this for everybody who doesn't know otherwise. What's my little balloon thing? Isn't there a balloon? Somewhere there's a balloon. Maybe not. Oh, there y'all go. So, and I'll be able to give everybody this too. So let's go here. And here it says, this matter comes before the court upon consideration of defendant. Remember, the defendant can remove the case. That means take the case from the state court because it's a federal issue. And I'm a defendant, and I want to bring a controversy to the federal court because I'm arguing that you violated a federal right and some aspect of federal law. No, not really. But anyway, it's going to buy you some time for sure. But I wouldn't suggest playing with the federal courts because they did explain some other stuff in here. So, hey, I'm not going to keep playing with you all. You sent me this damn piece of paper right here. Screw it. I'm going to take it to the federal court. File my notice of removal. Serve the notice on the agency. Make sure that the court knows it removes. In fact, I'm going to do something right now since we're doing this and show you how this works.